Bye guys, if you're not subscribing, be sure you are subscribing to my channel. Today we'll be playing Adopt Me. Okay, here's my speed, guys. I want to do it.
Food.
And then, okay, see? Okay, this is what my speed looks like, and then no. They're like, oh, I'm going faster than my snowcat. Oh, I get out of here. Stop it. I'm not going in here. Oh, come on. Okay, so
Dad, I made potatoes and string beans in here this morning.
Okay, guys, we'll be playing Adopt Me today, and I have a neon fly ride pet on my backpack today right here. And I have a dog. I'm gonna trade it to someone. Here, I'm gonna give it to There you go. I don't need it anymore. It's nice to see you again, cool Roblox Boys 14. Killing a family. Okay, yay. Okay, here, I'll do this when we get to the pool part. Okay, come on, let's go. Na 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 na. Okay, I just love the music. Oh, come on. Roblox Queen. Fly ride. Pogo stick, comment. Pogo stick. No. Sorry for you, but no game. Ooh, Bowser. You're not, okay, it's legendary, but it doesn't even fly or ride. Okay, bye. Oh, I use the okay, yeah. Okay, drink until you get there. Oh, no, wait. Okay, let me just go to my speed. I'm so fast. Look, okay, where's my fly ride pet? Neon fly ride pet. We could just go buy we could buy more speed potions until we get to like 100. Because I really want to make it and watch it, and it could be very funny. Oh, come on. That's $0. Okay, ready? Wow, look at me going. I'm getting a lot faster. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that's funny. Okay, come on. Let's go. Way. It's gonna be fun. It wasn't leaving there. Okay, never mind. Okay, my snowcat is back. Okay, no, get a soccer ball. Get in the soccer ball. Woo! We scored a goal, yay! What? Oh yeah, good. No. Okay, no, get it. Stop it. Okay, Chubby. Okay, Digit is my little chubby. Yeah, he's my little chubby brother. Chuck E. Cheese. What do you mean, Chuck E. Cheese? Chuck E. Cheese. Okay, are you serious? Pogo stick. No. Stop bothering me. Just don't want it. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Come on. Whoa, you're going fast as a sling pig. Little story, the scammer.
It's trash. It fell apart. No, I just told Uncle Benny to move along. Because he was looking at that bag over there.
Full of what? Oh. Something happening. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, hit the scammers with a card. I know where's my Okay, I'm just gonna go so fast.